Thousands of local kids are learning about science with hands-on demonstrations tonight.
That's right. It's all part of the annual Friday night science event at Allen Hancock College in Santa Maria. And that's where we find Chief Meteorologist Dave Hovde joining us live at the event tonight to show us what's going on and also what we can expect for the all-important weekend forecast. Dave?
Yeah, lots of pressure on tonight. Yeah, we're out here live in Santa Maria at Allen Hancock College. Beautiful weather to come down for Friday night science. Starts at 6 o'clock, but as always, we chase out some of the science guys early, including Sean here. And what are we seeing here?
This is the Briggs-Rauscher reaction. It's also it's one of many oscillating clock reactions. So the reaction looks like it's going slowly, but that's because all of the molecules need to mate up just perfectly. But then once they do, you get a nice color change. And what we have actually are a couple of competing reactions, so you have a back and forth color change.
That is crazy, because usually you think about a reaction that goes one way, like oxidation or something like that, and it's done. But in this case, it isn't done.
Right. Well, it's actually, all these reactions are going towards the same product. It's just two different pathways that one pathway takes over, and then once that makes its product, the other pathway takes over and gets rid of the color, and just keeps going back and forth.
So what's cool about this particular experiment was discovered by high school teachers, right?
Right, yeah. Briggs and Rauscher from San Francisco. Yeah, so high school science teachers.
It's a backyard science experiment. So this is just one of so many things on display tonight here at Allen Hancock, correct?
Right, yeah. We're going to have a whole bunch of chemical reactions going on right behind me.
Are you going to make bangs and smoke and stuff?
Yeah, definitely, for sure.
The chemistry is lots of fun, but there's biology, there's food science, and a lot more. Speaking of food science, a bunch of guys here eating pizza. Hi, guys. Everybody's jealous. It's food time. I'm thinking about it myself. Okay, let's talk a little bit about weather for the weekend. Big weekend coming up, and here's a look at your forecast. There's a look at Cayucas a little bit earlier, and you can see the sun is out, but there is some marine cloud cover at a few of the beaches around the Central Coast. Let's take a look at what's going on with the satellite radar. You can see a few clouds right there along the coast, just off of Santa Maria here and down into the Vandenberg area. Coming out regionally, pretty quiet. There's the big storm system for the upcoming weekend we are watching carefully. It's not going to be here on Saturday. Saturday looking like a pretty nice day, all things considered, a little bit cooler. But as we get into late Saturday and early Sunday, the clouds increase. There's the opportunity for rain across the area, mostly light showers, but cannot rule out a possibility of isolated thunderstorms into Monday. There's how that low moves across the area. It kicks out on Tuesday, but interestingly, late next week, a big area of low pressure looks to carve out and give us another opportunity of rain as we go into the following weekend. Our high-resolution model does not like much rainfall. However, the larger scale models say up to 1/4 of an inch of rain. Hourly forecast for San Luis Obispo getting into the middle 60s for Saturday with winds out of the northwest at about 15 in the afternoon. Santa Maria also pretty pleasant with highs near 70. Paso Robles temperatures into the mid-70s, so coming off of those 80-degree highs. The big national story continues to be strong thunderstorm outbreaks in Texas. It has been a rough week. The Austin area under the gun, and out near San Antonio, San Angelo, Midland, Texas storms there. Nationally, temperatures look like that. Warm in Phoenix, 91, but just 60 in Seattle, 74 Nashville, 79 in Jacksonville. So our temperatures mid-60s for much of the area. The exception will be the deeper interior, where daytime highs will peak out in the upper 70s tomorrow. The beaches on the cooler side, lower 60s, again some early cloud cover, but afternoon partly cloudy conditions. 5-day forecast, you can see that rain opportunity on Sunday and Monday, but it doesn't look to be a soaker. But again, just outside of that 5-day, more chances for rain around next weekend. Running my own experiment here. These are college students eating pizza, and it's interesting. They eat them at different rates based on how hungry they are. Now, these guys are actually also going to be doing some stuff here at the event tonight as well. You guys excited? You think you'll see lots of folks?
Very excited.
Okay, and is everybody well fed?
Yeah.
You didn't like the crust.
I don't like the crust, but I've had 3 slices of pizza already, so yeah.
Yeah, 3 slices for you? My goodness, these are college kids for sure.
Free
slices,
food.
I'd be done. Yeah, exactly. We're going to have a lot of fun here, so join us back tonight at 6 o'clock. We're going to bring you some of the best of what's happening and apparently it's time to slow the reactions down. We're sorry, is that what we're doing? Yes, sir. Yeah, it is what we're doing. We're slowing things down. There you go.
I like the way.
We'll get things going again. Promise tonight at 6. Back to you.
I like the way he kept his safety goggles on for the pizza eating.
You never know.
Yeah,
College
frankly.
students, they're going at that.